Look at this water from Cyclone in Madagascar. I'm in my bedroom, in my hotel. Look the amount of water that goes inside or went inside my room from the rain. Welcome to Madagascar. Welcome to Madagascar. This is what cyclone water and poor construction engineering or building engineering and construction looks like. Evidently my room is in the lower level. There's water everywhere. Everywhere. Well, if you are thinking about coming to Madagascar, do not come during cyclone season, because you may have this problem in your room. Other than that, everything is great. I wish you the best of times wherever you are. Just to give you a perspective how much water. See? It's like a pool, swimming pool, a piscine. Wow, okay. It's a pool everywhere. That is not the sea back there. Okay, those are fields and they are covered with water. They became a swimming pool. Okay, well, we got, I think, at least 4 more days of this, so I am hoping you truly are having the best of times wherever you are, because I am, believe it or not. Bye bye.